I suspect the cat is going to steal the duckling. No! What should we do? The duckling abandoned us. Take everyone to a luxury hotel today. They disappeared without a trace. Mommy and Daddy Duck are lost. Without waiting for Mother Duck, let's move on. Happy, thank you. The duckling was stolen by the cat. Where is this? A luxurious hotel. Compared to Duck Nest, this is a luxury hotel. The cat hid the duckling. All on the bed, each taking their place. Finally found you. Everyone is safe. This is a kind cat. You should apologize to the cat. You misjudged the cat. I should teach you a lesson. Thank you, Uncle Cat. He used to take care of me too. Take a shower and sleep together. Why are you laughing? Can't help laughing. Uncle Cat, hug me in your arms and sleep. I can sleep in the VIP room. Happiness. You are indeed very happy. The cat also used to hug me to sleep. A friendly and gentle cat indeed. Another happy day. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video.